So once again, we have Mad Cat and Ooze. We're going to be starting in 10 seconds. All right, guys, we're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fight, robots, fight! Right away, it's a pretty slow fight, but you know what? We got those lifters going off. Ooh, we got Ooze trying to help Mad Cat.
I don't
we
know,
got
cats
Mad
always
Cat saying
land on their
that's not
feet.
going to happen. It's a battle of the waving, but you know what?
It's a real cat fight out there, let me tell you.
Mad Cat Disease is not letting Ooze have any chance to flip him. Oh! And Mad Cat Disease puts Flipper on his back, but Flipper manages to self-right, but Ooze manages to flip over.
No mercy.
We have Mad Cat driving Ooze all around the ring. We have Mad Cat Disease, who is just pushing Ooze around the ring, and Brett is trying to stay out of it so we can get a good picture for all you lovely folks at home. Oh, it looks like Mad Cat has somehow managed to kind of finagle Ooze's lifter to be a little bit janky. Lifter. Ooze is not happy about its lifter being mangled. We are at just about a minute left, folks, on this very exciting fight. It is lifter versus lifter and trying to lift your spirits over here. Oh, and Ooze almost gets trapped on his back, but he's able to self-right with that help of his little white flag over there. Mad Cat able to put his head and face right under Ooze to try and flip him over on his side.
Cats are always getting into your business.
It's gonna make as many tattoos as you can, I love it. Oh! Oh, it looks like they got tangled there for a second, but Mad Cat managed to pull his head out of Ooze's lifter. Oh, and it does appear that Ooze has lost his little white flag. He does not have any more self-righting ability, and the fight is over. It is going to the judge's decision. And the judges have decided that Mad Cat Disease has won. Very sorry. It was a very good fight for both of you guys. We thank you both for fighting.